Hi, good evening. Okay, so in last class I think we discussed about P2P cycle, and I think we did some process also, like purchase requisition. I think we posted, RFQ also we posted, PO also posted, and today we'll see how to maintain the GR or how to post the GR. So these three documents is there, no, that is purely document. There is no interference of other department, but while posting with the GR, we are going to interface with finance department. For that reason, we will get some errors or some issues. Okay, we'll see that one. I'll go into SAP. I'll check with my purchase order. I'll go with ME23N. Maybe this is my purchase order, right? Yes. No, this is my purchase order. I'll take the number, copy this. I'll copy this number. And next is goods receipt. For that, I'll go with logistics in easy access, then materials management, inventory management, goods movement, then goods receipt. For purchase order, MIGO underscore GR for purchase order. T code is MIGO. MIGO is for T code is for goods receipt. MIGO we can remember easily. Double click on that MIGO, and here we will get screen like this. Goods receipt, purchase order. Then this is purchase order number. I need to mention the purchase order number here. Okay, then I need to mention the plant here, RPP1. Enter. Now I can able to see the material what I order in PO, that I can able to see here. Now I need to come little bit down there. I need to select item. Okay, select item. Okay, click on check. Now it is telling that document is okay. Now it is telling that document is okay. Then click on post. Okay, no errors or no issues has raised. Okay, as I told you, after GR, two document is going to generate. After GR, two document is going to generate. One is finance document, where we can see the total purchase value, and we are having another document. There we can see the document, that there we can see the purchase quantity, right? So two document is going to divide. First we'll see with finance document. So what I'll do, I'll come out from MIGO and re-enter into MIGO. Now I change to display. Then what I want to view, I want to view the material document. Last document has picked up automatically, or if you want to see the document, then click on show overview here. This is a purchase order, and this is a material document. So once the GR posted, it is converted into material. It is called as material document. Okay, that document you want to view, then click on enter, input the document number, or last document it will take automatically. Press enter. Okay, then we'll get screen like this. There, click on document info tab. Click on document info tab and click on F5 document. Click on F5 document. See here, we will get output like this. There we can see the value of our purchase. So this is amount, but here we cannot see the document, right? We cannot see the document here. This is purely accounting document. That's the reason it is showing one account minus and one account plus, right? Plus and minus. That is debit and credit. That's inventory. This is a ledger name. This is what we call as ledger name and ledger number. This is inventory of raw material account, and this is goods receipt and invoice receipt account. Right. Here we can see only the value of the material or value of the purchase. But here we cannot see the quantity. To view the quantity or to see the quantity, what I need to do? I need to come out from this Migo, and I'll go with inventory management, logistics, materials management, inventory management, and go with environment and go with stock. And here go with MMB stock overview. Want to see the stock in your storage location, then go with MMB. Here you need to input the material, your material. Only one material as of now we are having. Plant is my P1, storage location is RM. Okay, after this just click on execute or press F8. Click on execute or press F8. We will get output like this. Okay, I think last class we discussed or we did GR, right? We did GR. Okay, so this is I think MMB we not discuss, right? So this all stock comes under unrestricted use. All the stocks which comes under unrestricted use. Like that we can post the stock into quality inspection, reserve. We'll see that one by one later. But this stock, this total stock will get posted into unrestricted. Unrestricted means there is no reservation for that material. We can use as per our requirement. There is no restriction. So that we are having so many options here, like on order stock. On order stock means it is already ordered but not yet received. On order means the ordered, it is not yet received. Consignment ordered. Then stock transport between plant to plant. Stock transport between storage location to storage location. GR block stock, we can post the stock into blocked. Schedule for delivery, returns, blocked. Block means it's blocked for doing nothing. Then many options are there. Block option is there. Okay. So this is one popular T code. We can see the balances of material, quantity of material. Like that, we are having some more T code like MB53. Plant stock availability. Double click on that. Again here you need to input the material number. Then RPP1 is a plant. Click on execute. See here we can see the balances. Only 200 quantity we can see here. Then MB52. MB52. Go to MB52 and again input the material, plant and storage location. And click on execute. Execute. Here we can see values and as well as quantity. Values as well as quantity. Okay, delivery, sorry, quantity as well as quantity, values and quantity, right. Then and some more T code is there that I'll go with the list. MB51 is there, MB51, and again here material is there, plant, storage location, execute. 1 minute. Okay, here we can see the quantity here, right? Material document list. Then we are having one more T code, MR51, accounting document of material. In Migo we saw the accounting view, right? There the same thing we can see here also. Like I need to input the material number, company code RPL and enter, or execute, sorry, execute. Here you can see the value here, the quantity and value here. And okay, these are the some T codes where we can see the balances of material. Balances of material. Fine. Like that, we can see the transaction in somewhere also. I'll show that one. I'll go with easy access. I'll go with easy access. Purchasing, materials management, logistics, materials management, purchasing, go purchase order. And here I'm not going to create any purchase order. I'll go with display the purchase order. ME23N, display the purchase order. Here this is my purchase order where I just received the material from my vendor side, right? Now I want to know the status of my material. So just go with, in header level, go with status. There is a status, right? Header level status. So how much you ordered? 100 quantity we ordered. How much so far we received? 100 quantity of that material we received. So this is a complete detail of or complete status of the material. Then like that, we'll have one more option to check. Here in item detail button, we are having purchase order history. See here we can see the receipt, goods receipt detail, like on which date we received, how much quantity we received, then what is the amount of the total amount of that received, purchase, everything we can see here. This also here also we can see the balances. Like that, we'll have one more view. Like I'll go with materials display. I'll go with material display, that is MM03. Easy access, logistics, materials management, material master, material display, MM03, display current. Display current. Okay, here I need to input the material number, press enter, and I'm going to select accounting 1, that's it. Rest of views are not required, just go with accounting 1, press enter, input plant, my plant is RPP1, enter, and here you can see the total how much stock you are having in location 200 quantity, then moving average price is 1000 rupees and total value of the material is 2 lakh. So here we will get all information here. Okay. To view the documents, view the document, we can go with MMBE, MB52, MB51, MB52, MB53, MR51, ME23N, MM03, or one more is a MM60. MM60 also you can go. MM60 again input the material, plant, execute, and this is the detail of material. 1 minute. Okay, here we can see this is a view. MM60 we can view the material, plant, material number, who created the material, and what is the material type, what is the material group, unit of measure, purchasing group, and everything has been, you can see here. Okay, like this we are having so many T codes to get the material document. Yes, Lakshmi, tell me.
With this T codes, and there is one more T code which we have used it. I just wanted to know what is the difference between this and the MD04.
MD04 is for MRP view, material requirement planning. We'll discuss that one later. Here also we can see that is a material requirement planning from PP department.
It comes under PP department.
Yes. No, it comes in MM only, but the requirements from PP, material requirements from PP, that will pick from MD04, picked in MD04. We'll discuss on that MRP. While we'll discussing it MRP, we'll see that one. Fine. Now, I think I discussed about moving average price, right? Yes, moving average price. So now we'll discuss this one. I think we discussed about moving average price. Whenever we purchase the different quantity with the different values, then that will value get that value will take the average of that material. So that is what we call as moving average price. At the time of creation of material, we discussed regarding this, right? Now we'll discuss some scenarios, like we ordered, this is scenario 1. We ordered for 100 quantity, vendor has sent only 80 quantity. We ordered for 100 quantity, into 1000 rupees. The total value will be 1 lakh, right? But vendor sent 80 quantity, $80,000. The 20,000 value of material we not receive from vendor. Okay, this is one scenario. Then scenario 2. We ordered for for 100 quantity. Vendor has sent 100 quantity only, but out of 100 quantity, 20 quantity damaged during transportation. Ordered 100 quantity, received 100 quantity, but damage 20 quantity. ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಂ 20 quantity. $20,000 damage. So in this scenario, how to handle this? So assume that we are having ordered for 80 quantity, but vendor has sent only 100 quantity we ordered, 80 quantity has sent. How to handle this situation? So either we can change the quantity in GR. We can change the quantity in GR, but it is not advisable. Why? Because I'll let you know. We can change the quantity in GR. It is not advisable because the value of the 20 quantity will not get displayed anywhere. The value of 20 quantity will not get displayed anywhere. That's the reason we are not having, or we are not going to use the change of quantity in GR level. We are having the option to change, but we are not going to use that option. But here we are having in scenario 2, what we do, we are going to first receive complete 100 quantity from vendor, then 20 quantity we are going to, or we will give for return delivery. Okay, so in this scenario 100 quantity order, 80 quantity received, but at the time of GR or at the time of GR posting, system will accept only 100 quantity, right? But actually we received only 80 quantity. On that time we can change the quantity in GR, but we are not going to do that. Why? Because the 20 quantity damage that will not be get displayed anywhere. That's the reason we are not going to use this option. We are not going to use this option. First we'll see this one, and I'll show the difference between these scenarios. Second scenario, we ordered for 100 quantity and we received 100 quantity only, but out of 100 quantity, 20 quantity damage during the transportation. After receipt of that complete 100 quantity, what we do? We will going to give the return delivery. Go to return delivery. So here I will create one purchase order for 100 quantity, and in GR means goods receipt, I will change the quantity to 80. We'll see. But here in this scenario, what I'll do, I'm going to create the purchase order and goods receipt, and third one, return delivery. These three options we'll do here. Okay, so first we'll work with this scenario, then we'll discuss how we'll do this scenario. Okay, for that I'll go with SAP. I'll go with easy access logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase order, create ME21 and vendor or supplying plant. And here I'll put my vendors. We're having this much of vendor. I'll take this vendor. Okay, purchase organization, RP, PO, purchasing group and company code RPL. Then material I'll take here. This material I'll take. I'll mention 100 quantity. Delivery date 7/3/2022. 1000. Price material RPL MG. Plant RPP1. Storage location RM. Okay, no error. Click on check and save. Now I order for 100 quantity of raw material, right? Now I'll go with MIGO or goods receipt. For that I'll go with logistics, easy access logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, goods receipt. For purchase order, MIGO underscore GR, GR for purchase order. Okay, now I'll change to goods receipt. Purchase order number, if you remember the purchase order number, you can type it here, otherwise press F4 and you can get the purchase order by date. Okay, maybe this is my purchase order, like enter, input purchase order. Okay, not at least, this is not my purchase order. Okay, let me check with ME23N. Three five only. Okay, this is release strategy that has someone has maintained the release strategy for our document type. So we'll discuss that one. Now I change the. Now I can able to see the material. But here, right now I'm getting only, or I received only 80 quantity. But I order for 100 quantity. But vendor has sent only 80 quantity. Then click on quantity. If you want to change the quantity, you can come here in quantity and change the quantity to 80. Okay. Quantity in SKU. SKU stands for stock keeping unit. Stock keeping unit. Select item. Okay. Click on check. See, we are getting warning message. This is a warning. Deficit of PO ordered quantity 20 each. Okay, so how you are come to know what is warning or error? So error always comes under, error comes in red color, okay, or if message comes in the red color, then it is treated as error. Without solving that error, we can't save the configurations. Sorry, we cannot save the documents. If message comes in yellow color, then it is a warning message. It is a warning message. Warning can be solved. So warning can be ignored and save the document. But later need to solve that warning. Present situation that we can save that document, but later we need to solve that. Then if message comes in green color, then it is an information. So remember this, we are getting the warning message like deficit of purchase order quantity of 20. We ordered for 100 quantity, but system or we received only 80 quantity. So there is a deficit. Deficit means lesser than order quantity, right? Just warning, just ignore the warning and click on post. Now document got posted. Now we can see this document either in Migo, that display we can maintain. Okay, document info, FI document. Here you can see the quantity of, sorry, not quantity, value of 80,000, right? Like that, I'll go with the ME23N. I'll go with ME23N. Display purchase order. There, go to status. See here, how much you ordered, 100 quantity. How much delivered, 80 quantity. Still to deliver, 20 quantity. Okay, total 80 quantity has been delivered. Come a little bit down and go to purchase order history. Here we can see 80 quantity, but we ordered for 100 quantity, but we received 80 quantity. But what about 20 quantity? We are not able to find. If I am going to change the quantity in GR, this is the problem. This is a problem. I can change the quantity, but we will not know, or we are not able to understand where the 20 quantity gone. So that's the reason it is not advised to do all these kind of things, because we doesn't know where it has gone. Right. So we'll see one more scenario. This is second scenario. Here also I will do purchase order, goods receipt, and after that we will receive complete order. 100 quantity we will receive from the customer, sorry, vendor. Then the 20 quantity we are going to give return delivery. Okay, fine. We'll discuss reconnect. Okay. Now I'll go with second scenario. First I'll go with the purchase order. I'll post the purchase order. ME21N. Here I'll select the vendor. Okay, purchase organization RPPO group 000. Then material, as of now we are not having only one material. Again I'll put 100 quantity. This is my delivery date, price of that material, material group, plant, storage location. Enter and click on save or post. Now I'll go with goods receipt. Go to T code Migo. Okay, here I'll receive them goods first. 4500013182236. Enter. Not at release. Okay. Save this. Enter. Okay, select item. Okay. Click on check. Okay, now I'll receive the material. I'll post the document posted. Now after that I'll return the. I'll post the return delivery. Come back to Migo again. Re-enter into Migo, and here change to return delivery. Return delivery, the document, material document, and press enter. Okay. Now here I'll come to quantity, and here I'll give 20 quantity. Here I'll give 20 quantity. And order quantity is 100, GR quantity is 20, received quantity is 20, but here I am going to give the return delivery, right? 20 quantity I will go to return delivery. Select item, okay. Then go to where. Here I need to mention my plant, storage location, and here I need to mention the reason for movement, why I am returning the material. I need to tell the system, right? If you press F4, you will get reasons here, like what is the reason, whether it's a quality is not that much what you expect, then it is incomplete, or it is damaged, or some wrongly delivered product. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, damage, and I'm going to mention the text, goods damage return to vendor. Okay, I need to give the text like this. Okay, then click on check, then click on post. Click on check and post. Now come to Migo. Also you can go Migo and can display, enter, go to document info, file document. So this is a view of return. Okay, it is incomplete or incorrect, incomplete, not incorrect, incomplete, because we are not able to see the both document, right, receipt and return. We cannot see that one. For that, I will go with another T code ME23N. I will go with ME23N, display purchase order. And here I will go with status again. Status there, we are getting status like this. We ordered for 100 quantity, deliver 80 quantity, still to deliver 20 quantity, right. Again it is showing like this. But come to purchase order history. You will get two line items here, two line items. So one is 100 quantity, we order 100 quantity that we received here. But for the 20 quantity, that minus is there, right. What is the minus? Minus means we are returning that. If you click on this material document number, it will go to GR. If you click on that document number, it will go to GR. There we can see the reason for that minus 20 quantity. Reason for that minus 20 quantity, goods damage returned to vendor, right. So that 20 quantity we can get here. Then total how much quantity totally we received, 80 quantity we received. How much net payable? 80,000 I need to pay to my vendor. The clear information we will get here. If you go with another purchase order, this is another purchase order, previous purchase order. Okay, here we received, we ordered for 100 quantity, but we received 80 quantity, right. But there is no information regarding 20 quantity, where it gone. So that's the reason I advise you to go with second scenario, not with first. Do not change any quantity, but we are having the option to change. When we are going to use this option means, we assume that we order for a large quantity like 10,000 quantity or 20,000 quantity of material to vendor. On that time, vendor is not having that much of material with his storage. Then what he is going to give assurance that he will deliver the material part by part. Not complete 10,000 quantity he is not able to deliver. He is going to tell, or he is going to commit for, he will deliver the goods part by part. So on that time, we can change the material quantity in GR level, material quantity in GR level. Fine, this is one scenario. Any doubt is there still as of now? Any doubt is there? हाँ हाँ
First one delivery model 80 quantities ಅಂತ
हाँ
and the next one 20 quantities damage ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
हाँ
So 80 quantity ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 20 quantity damage ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು GR ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವು 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಎರಡು ಸಿನಾರಿಯದಲ್ಲೂ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎರಡು ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 80 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆಂಡರ್ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ವೆಂಡರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ 80 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು GR ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? GR ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 80 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ನಾವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ತೋರಿಸೋಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಗೇನ್ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವೆಂಡರ್ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ 100ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, PO ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. PO ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಟರ್ನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ಇತ್ತು. PO, GR ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು 5000 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ 5000 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, GRನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವಾಗ
ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 80 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾಂ
ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು GR ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
ಜಿ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ ಇದು, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ
ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು
80. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 100 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 80 ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಜಿ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು 20 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಬಲ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡ್ರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ 10,000 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ 5,000 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆಂಡರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಅಥವಾ 6 ಕನ್ಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಿ ಆರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ. ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಿನಾರಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ? ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ,
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸರ್ ನಾವು 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ PO ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಇವಾಗ ಜನವರಿಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜನವರಿಲಿ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ PO ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಲಿ 150 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 150 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೌದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗಿನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಜಿ ಆರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎರರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 200 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಏಪ್ರಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ, MTO, MTS ಅಂತ. MTO ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ. MTS ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಈ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ಹೈ ಎಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಹೈ ಎಂಡ್ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸೋಫಾ ಸೆಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವುಡನ್ ಸೋಫಾ ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವರು ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫರ್ನಿಚರನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, 500 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ MTS ಅಂತ, ಮೇಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸ್ಟೋರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ ಥರ ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಡ್ಬರೀಸು, ನೆಸ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ಗಳು, ಈಗ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಲಿವರ್ ಆ ಥರದ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. MTS ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. MTS ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ರಿಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಪರ್ ಡೇ ನನಗೆ 1000 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ನನಗೆ 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ, 100 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅದು ಸ್ಕೆಡ್ಯೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈನ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್.